to Mondays with Melissa. Today is episode 3 of Medicaid myth busting. The third myth that we want to talk about today is that your parent hasn't done any planning, so you're going to have to spend every penny they have on their care before they can go on Medicaid. This just is not true. So even for the individual who has chosen not to partake in any planning at all, not setting up trusts, not transferring assets, that person will still be able to protect assets if they need a nursing home tomorrow. We call this crisis planning, right? Because we're in a medical crisis. The person is going into a nursing home tomorrow, and there's nothing we can do to protect those assets. We don't have 5 years now to get under our belt to be able to transfer assets and protect them. We accomplish this by setting up a promissory note and a gift. So basically, if we have, let's just say $400,000 sitting with mom, she can move that all out of her name, which, as you know from watching my past episodes of Mondays with Melissa, will create a Medicaid penalty. But Medicaid can only penalize you for making a gift. They cannot penalize you for making a loan. So when mom transfers that $400,000 to you, we're going to couch that as a partial gift and a partial loan. So Medicaid only penalizes you for the gifted piece, and then you use the loan money to pay for the penalty created by that gift. Now, I know it sounds super complicated, and it can be complicated because we have to get all of the numbers correct to make it work. And that's why it's so important to sit down with one of our elder law attorneys and talk about the best way to protect as much as possible. And even if the thought process is not necessarily to protect, to pass the assets along to mom's heirs, but to have that money to the side in case mom needs extras. She goes on Medicaid, but maybe you still want an aide to come in and sit with her because she doesn't like to be alone. That aide has to be paid for privately. So why not protect a portion of mom's money to be able to do that instead of it having to come out of your pocket? So there are many different ways to plan, and we always want people to plan ahead. But if someone tells you you have to spend down every penny before mom can qualify for Medicaid, don't believe them. It is not true. And come and speak with us. You can give us a call at 631-390-5000 or check out our website at conaelderlaw.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next week for myth number 4.